This is Destiny, and I am out into nature on this beautiful, beautiful night. It is July 3rd, 2020. Guys, it's 2020. Y'all hear that? The fireworks. The fireworks. Look at this at nighttime. It's so gorgeous. I love being in this place. Look at the sky. Oh my, it is so amazing. Just listen to the sound of those fireworks. You know they celebrating, right? What is today, guys? Today is the eve of Independence Day, which tomorrow is July the 4th. But guys, super amazing. You better get away from me. See that in the sky? See that? See that? Move. Go. I'm talking to the mosquitoes. And I'm talking to those insects. They always come out here to bug you. Get away from me. Tell them go watch my video that I did today. Y'all so annoying. Wow. The sound of nature. Y'all hear that? He's coming from the trees. I don't know what it is. He's okay. Silence. It's golden. I love doing that. Like Chicken Little said, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. That's so amazing. I love the sound of nature. Guys, I know it's dark up in this woods, but something is chirping or whatever they're doing. It's in the woods. Guys, I just like to get. So what are your plans for tonight? What you guys are planning on doing tonight? Or y'all have gathered all of your fireworks for tomorrow's celebration? Some people are out here already celebrating. Guys, we got fireworks going all over the place in my community. Wow, he is loud. I don't know what he is up in those bushes. It's very dark, okay? But it's okay. Anyway, tomorrow is Independence Day, July the 4th. And guys, you know what? I'm not going to even tell you the story about Independence Day because I'm not down with all that history because history, it only became his story, her story. Whoever wrote it is their story. We don't know the truth of anything because we weren't there. We always handed a book and a whole lot of information said this is that and that is that. But guys, we have to go out and we have to get the truth from the divine creator God. He holds everything in his hand. So I'm going to leave that alone. Let people do what they want to do, celebrate they want to celebrate, whatever holiday they choose, that's their business. Just enjoy. And all I ask you guys out here doing these fireworks, please be safe. Watch out for children, especially children. Watch out for everybody that's in your vicinity, in your area where you're around when you're throwing those fireworks. But please look out for our babies, our children. We don't want to harm our future generation. So, that was the bird. He was just chirping. You hear him say, go, shh. That was the bird. Bird, you better not do that again. He out there making all that crazy noise. Wow. But anyway, guys, let me get this beautiful part over here. So, continue to have a fantastic evening on this wonderful and beautiful Friday evening. And I'm gonna see you at the next video. I'm gonna see you at the next video. Destiny is here. She's going away to get more information to bring your way. I will see you at the next video. We're gonna see you at the next video. We're gonna see you at the next video. Guys, namaste. Have a wonderful, fantastic afternoon. Don't forget, tomorrow, or if tonight, whenever you're out there throwing fireworks all over the place, be careful with your lives, but be safe around people and make sure you take care of our children. That is our future. We gotta make sure that they are safe and guarded and protected. Love you guys. Bye. See you next time.